Hi Sarah, this is Ronnie here at Tameron Honda, and I just wanted to introduce myself to you and show you the 2020 Honda Civic hatchback that you inquired about online. So here we're going to have that Civic in the beautiful sun and gray pearl color that you asked about. Starting here from the front, some of the key features that I wanted to introduce to you. You're going to have the full Honda sensing package. Those are going to be the safety features to keep you in the road and on the road safely. Starting here, you're going to have the LED headlights, and those are also auto dimming. If you come around to the side here, you're going to have these very cool and aggressive black rims that I think are wonderful to look at. The breakaway mirrors. And also on the interior, one of the main features that you asked about was going to be the stick shift. And Sarah, if you're really interested in this vehicle, these are very hard to find, so please give me a call back. My number is 205-470-2190. I can't wait to show you all the key features in this vehicle and show you how they work. And I can guarantee you one thing, when you come to Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you treat it.